For this recipe, you will need eggs, milk, oil, cake mix, candy melts, wooden dowels or sticks, frosting, sprinkles, a large bowl, a microwavable safe bowl, a cake pan, cookie tray, wax paper, a whisk, a spatula, and measuring spoons, and a box to put your cake pops on. First, make the cake. You'll need to bake a cake in order to make the cake pops. Choose any mix you want and go ahead and bake it. Time for the messy part. Take a piece of your cake and crumble it with your hands in another bowl. Make sure to get the cake pieces very small. Do this with the whole cake. Once it's all crumbled, add some frosting to the bowl and mix it into the cake for a moist texture. This helps the cake pop hold together. I moved my mixture into a larger bowl because it's easier, but now you can form little balls using a tablespoon. Once you're finished, put it on a cookie tray lined with wax paper and continue to do so until you run out of dough. They should have hardened now. Set them aside and grab your microwavable safe bowl and your candy melts. Put your microwave on low power and melt them. Bring back your cake pops and take a wooden dowel and poke a hole in your cake pop with the wooden stick. Then take it out and dip the stick in the melted chocolate and then place the stick back inside the hole. The chocolate will then harden back into the freezer and keep the dowel from falling out of place. Once they're in the freezer, you might want to take this time to start poking holes into your cardboard box, and this is where the cake pops will be standing when they're dry. Okay, so now carefully take one cake pop and dip it into the melted chocolate. Be very careful as it may either crumble or you could drop it into the chocolate. Use a spatula to help you coat it. Once it's fully coated, you can top it off with sprinkles. Do the same with the rest of them. When you're done with that cake pop, make sure to put it onto the stand to let it dry. Here is the finished product. The chocolate has hardened and is looking delicious. These were fun and easy to make and is a great dessert to make when you're stuck at home. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe for more videos, leave a like, and don't forget to comment down below what you want to see next. Bye!